Good morning, friends. Today is 15th of May 2020. Now, I am starting a series of new and improved, morning updates. Uh, the reason is that a lot of morning strategies are based on what people are feeling, and instead of that, if you are given a clear plan, which means that without hedging, which means that you choose one direction in the morning. If the market works out in that direction, you play. Otherwise, you don't play. So, for the day, my sense is that we are going to open below yesterday's range and below the equilibrium zone of yesterday. So, I only want to go short. B, I want to go short post the first half an hour as the market breaks the morning low. Similarly, on the bank nifty, again, it's likely that we open below yesterday's range, which is the high and low of yesterday, and you look for opportunities to go short. Where do you put your stop? The stop has to be at the high of the day or 50 points, whichever is lower on the nifty. Similarly, 100 to 150 points or the high of the day, which is lower. Now, on the daily chart, you have 9050 as a very key level from where we have reversed, I think 2 or 3 days back. So you have to be very careful at 9050. So broadly, we start with a negative view, but that negative view works out further if 9050 is taken out. I am not interested in playing on the upside, but can we go on the upside? We can. And because I see a pressure on the market, hence for the day I am not interested in going long. If my short gets triggered, I play. Otherwise, I don't play. Okay. How do you get short? Possibly if we get closer to say 9175 on Nifty futures, or on the bank nifty maybe closer to 19,100 thereabouts, and from there we should expect a sharp reversal. That is the ideal case. Okay, but anytime I get I start to break lows of the day, we will try our short trade. Now, I don't want to tell you that US market has closed higher, hence I am suddenly bullish, etc. It can happen that we go on the upside, but we cannot come in with a view on both sides, because that way you will only get confused. So the view has to be on the downside with the preparation being there that it may or may not work. If you do it a large number of times over a period of time, it should work, and that is the only quote unquote guarantee you can have. As far as individual stocks are concerned, Reliance is getting into a kind of an accumulation zone. Now, accumulation means that you have to hold on. Also, on a very intraday type of basis, I expect possibly again stocks like the pharma, FMCG working, and on the other hand the financials, the domestic sort of stocks going down. Now, will 9050 get broken? I think it would. There could be some choppiness before it gets broken, but my sense is that we are almost on the verge of that. Confirmation will come below 9050. So that's something you have to take on board. But for the moment, for the day, the idea is to try to get short. If we are able to get some sort of intraday rally, then post an intraday rally, or if we straight away start to break lows at that point. So have a good trading day. Take care. Keep your stops and just have one single view regardless of what is going on an intraday basis, which means don't get sucked into intraday rallies.